Hey, are you looking for the top affiliate marketing companies or the top network marketing companies and you don't know what to actually join? You might be looking for a home-based business opportunity and you're like, what should I join? What should I become a part of? How am I going to learn marketing? How am I going to build a business online? Well, if that's the case, then you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Giunta, and a few years back, I was $87,000 in debt, and I was looking at multiple different opportunities. I didn't have really any results in any of those opportunities. I was stressed, I was depressed, I was working a job that I hated, and I just wanted a real solution, something that could get me real results, and something that I could actually learn marketing and have support with. So I'm just sharing my results for today, or for yesterday, I should say, because today is February 19th. So this just happened on the 18th, and today I earned over $1,200. And an FTC disclaimer: my results are not typical. The average affiliate earns $347, and what you earn is going to depend on your work ethic and how much work you put into it, how serious you are, how much you show up, and learning these skills didn't happen overnight. So if anybody tells you that there's a push button solution, everything like that, there's no such thing, right? So if you want to get real results, then you're going to want to watch this video all the way through, because learning these skills is really going to help you to build a business online that you could depend on, that's here long term, that's honest, that's dependable, right? Because we don't say anything that's misleading. I want to show you exactly how I earned these commissions right here. Now, is what this is this is a training academy that teaches you all about marketing. So if you've never had any results before, if you got into things before that you never really got support with, this will definitely help. This is your solution. This is your answer. So this is the Funnel Builders Academy, and it's laid out by the steps that you should start with. This is going to teach you exactly how to capture leads online. So when somebody comes to one of your videos or a place on Facebook, like your profile or something like that, and they want more information about what you're doing, they're going to actually go to a page. They're going to click on your link and go to a page, either in the description of your YouTube video, either in an email, no matter where it is. If you're watching from my email list, that's how you're finding this video right now. But they click on the link, however they get to it, and they come to a capture page. When they get to the capture page, they put their email in. When they put their email in, then whoever puts their email in gets on their list. So whoever had that capture page is whoever got your contact information, right? Then it takes you to a sales page, and the sales page, you see a video just like this, right? And you have the option to buy or not to buy, right? And even if you don't buy, you still get a series of follow-up emails that pretty much share what you're doing, so people on your list could see you, your audience could see you. So you're building an audience, you're building up an email list, and those people are becoming your audience, right? So the first thing that you want to do when you come in here is actually get your funnel builder set up so you can build out your pages, you can build out everything you need to actually get results. So the first step is to be welcomed into our community, and then you're going to learn how to build any business in 3 simple steps. And then from here, it's a setup process. So you're going to have to have a domain. The domain is going to be branded to you. Then you're going to have to set up your business email, and so you're a professional marketer at this point. You're going to learn all about that. And then you have autoresponder. The autoresponder is going to follow up with your contacts and allow you to actually email everybody that comes onto your list, right? And then right here you learn all about building out funnels. You learn all about creating your own pages. So right here has different things, like creating your pages, doing things such as you know, a membership site. So you have your own products you could sell. You have a membership site. There's different things you could do. Yeah, a traditional website also. So if you're trying to actually build out your own products, this builder is what's going to actually do it for you. And this is the same builder that I built out my traffic site to. I'm going to show you my traffic site right now. So this is the e-commerce site that I use to actually make sales with basically email traffic. So anybody who comes to me and needs traffic, that's what I do. I'm the traffic guy, and I built everything off these tools. Now this funnel builder is $25 a month. It gives you a $20 a month commission, so you earn a $20 a month commission off of $25 a month. The $25 a month is fine or whatever, and you're gonna get tons of support and value. You're gonna learn a ton just with that alone. And you're gonna get tons of value from it, right? But I wanted more. I wanted to learn about traffic and conversions. And when you have your funnel set up, you're gonna have to learn about traffic and conversions and how to get people to it. So that way you could retain emails. So there's this portion right here. This portion actually has daily coaching, and is what it shows you is actually the steps you need before you run traffic. And then there's methods right here that you could use, like launching your own business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, how to get unlimited leads on Facebook, how to actually do short form video, how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines, how to actually do different things. Like there's different strategies on YouTube you could use. Then there's Facebook advertising methods, podcasting, getting leads on LinkedIn, Facebook Live and doing your Facebook Lives the right way, blogging, how to actually do a launch. So when you have your product created, let's say you create a product for an opportunity, and you start doing coaching and you start selling that product, you're going to have to do a launch. A launch is basically when you get people onto a live and you're able to actually do a presentation, and at the end of it you do your presentation, and whoever buys is going to be on that live. And the cool thing about this is we have daily coaching Monday through Saturday, Monday through Friday. We have on Mondays we have the Monday night mastermind call, and then every single day Monday through Friday we have the daily grow rich call, which focuses on your mindset. And then we have the take action mastermind, where you could watch over the shoulder what we do in marketing every single day. So if you get stuck learning how to do certain things, you just come out and you can ask your questions on Zoom. And the cool thing about this is we have an AI tool. So if you have trouble, writing emails, or you have trouble writing content, you could use this and it will produce content for you. You just type in here what you need at the right, and it'll write you whatever you need to do. And a lot of these AI tools are like $400 for the year. This is included with the membership. This membership is 120 it's 125 per month. So with the builder and this, it's 150 per month, and you make a 120 commission from owning both of the products, the funnel builder and the traffic and conversions. And what that means is basically with only 25 signups, you can make a residual income of $3,000 per month in residual income. Now, how I make the big commissions, like how I made $400 days today, is by having this product right here, which is the Financial Literacy Academy. It teaches you all about finances, how to eliminate debt, and basically financial literacy. And then right here you learn all about tax strategies to save on taxes. Then you learn about how to invest and plan for retirement. And then you also learn how to keep your records the right way in bookkeeping. And then right here is different. Strategies. When you start making money, you invest your money into property and real estate, so you have assets. Like in Rich Dad Poor Dad, they say to invest in assets. So here you learn how to avoid scams, and then how to invest. And then car flipping. Right here has mobile homes. Right here's property management, house flipping, and then asset protection right there. So those are the things that you actually learn uh, when you get started. And I don't know why I did that. It went into drawing mode. I don't know why that happened. But those are the things you learn when you get started. And then when you go all in with me, since I am a traffic provider, I also have traffic bonuses. I give you a custom setup. I help you. You're part of the Profit Builders Alliance chat and the group where you can work with me personally, and I help you to make the sell. So basically, this is a one-time $500 commission or $500 payment. When you sign up, you get a $400 commission off that $500. So with this builder right here, you make a $20 commission from the 25. With the traffic and conversions portion off the 150, you earn a 120. That's both of these combined. And then with this product, this allows you to earn $400 or $800 commissions. So there's a 3-day deadline to upgrade when they first sign up. They have 3 days to go all in. If they don't, the course is full price at $1,000, and you earn an $800 commission. So how nice would a $400 or $800 commission sound on top of $120 per month, right? Well, I'm going to tell you the potential of that. The potential of that is actually with 25 signups, you could either earn an extra $10,000 or an extra $20,000. So it's very important to be all in, so that way you're positioned to earn those amounts of money. And that's exactly how I earned the three $400 commissions yesterday, and it was $1,280.80. um, so that's exactly what you could do, as long as you commit yourself to building a business online. As long as you show up to our Zoom calls, you get live hands-on Zoom training. And I really look forward to working with you. And I'm ready to help you to build a business online and really have results. So if you're ready to actually get results in your business, make sure you click on the link within this email or under this video, or however you're finding this video. Make sure you click on the link around this video to get started. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description. You can connect with me on Facebook and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.